climate change organizations have
Emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
This is all wrong. You all come to us young people for hope. How dare you? You have stolen my dreams, my childhood with your empty words. And yet, I'm one of the lucky ones. People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you?
Is passing by too fast to recognize? Caught inside my mind, don't cut me loose this time. In between the space paths made of time and place, silence gets so loud to strangers in the crowd. Walls are torn.
There will not be any solutions or plans presented in line with these figures here today, because these numbers are too uncomfortable, and you are still not mature enough to tell it like it is. You are failing us. But the young people are starting to understand your betrayal. The eyes of all future generations are upon you. And if you choose to fail us, I say we will never forgive you.
Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Billionaire, the game where knowledge turns into fortune. Tonight, we have Lawrence ready to climb to the top and claim the ultimate prize. Let's dive into the first question. So Lawrence, it is a shock-absorbing device used to protect buildings, bridges, and industrial structures from earthquake damage. So here are the choices: jumper, shock absorber, sorbothane, lead rubber bearings.
I think sorbothane.
So for the next question, home to extremely strong winds which make it prone to hurricanes and floods. Due to its location in eastern China, architects have made it extra resilient to any future natural disasters. The building measures 2,072 feet tall. So here are the choices for number 2. Hall of Supreme Harmony, Potala Palace, Shanghai Tower, Gate of the Orient.
Oh, I know that. Shanghai Tower.
So Lawrence, for the last question, it is vulnerable to flooding due to its location being right beside the Boston Navy Yard. The hospital's first floor is built 30 inches above. The first floor of the building is also surrounded by several landscape and granite berms, which can deflect flooding. So for its choices, Spalding Rehabilitation Hospital, Quezon City General Hospital, Mayo Clinic, the Johns Hopkins Hospital.
Quezon City General Hospital sounds familiar, but I think it is Spalding Rehabilitation Hospital. So ayun guys, what's up? For today's podcast, ang topic natin is all about adaptation. So ayun, pakilala ko na kayo.
So, ako nga pala si John Archie Espinera. Ikaw?
Ako si Altaiga.
Oo. So, guys, may nagkaroon ito sa akong komento na sinabi na tungkol sa samang-samang pagkilos sa gobyerno, mga saktor na ay mga mayayaman ng Bulacan ay patuloy na lumalaban sa pagbabago ng klima ay hindi natin maiwasan. Kasi puro natin angkop sa pagbangon. Kasi nga, puro tayo bagyo, no? Tapos wala tayong nasasagap na galing sa gobyerno kasi puro tayo paghamon ngayon sa pagsubok ngayon ano kaya? Ano sabi?
Ano lugar ulit yun?
Sa Bulacan po.
Sa Bulacan pa rin part na
Bahay.
tsaka pekala naman din kasi siya.
Oo na nga. Yun siya.
Doon banda yung tanim.
Hindi ako sure kung saan siya may
Pero di ba may issue ngayon about dun sa flooding?
Oo.
Government. Yung may funds para sa...
flood control.
Pero actually, yung pag sinasabi kasi ng flooding, naisip ko yung Malabon. Kasi dati akong taga Malabon. Sobrang bahay. Even though yung parang sa loob ng Malabon, may nakalagay na Malabon ako. Hindi naman ito sa parang. Pero hopefully, talagang maharapan ng paraan kasi solusyon. Kasi, I mean, matagal na yung issue na yan sa buong Pilipinas actually na sobrang bahain
Tsaka
talaga.
ano rin hindi rin kasi natin talaga na masisisi yung part ng government.
Hindi.
Kasi ano yun lang. Kasi Malabon, kung talaga, tsaka mababad lugar eh. Tsaka malapit siya sa atin. Di ba nga, Malabon issue, malapit sa dagat. So, hindi talaga madali na magawa ng solution.
Pero dito sa isang dokumento na kailangan maglagay tayo ng mga plan D. Ano sila Kaya
Sino maglalagay?
ba, worst ba muna?
Ah, sige, worst na.
Siguro yung ano, di ba?
Oh, pinakaayaw mo, pinakaayaw.
Siyempre, basta yun eh.
Siguro, ano na lang siguro yun.
Ah,
Oo,
sige.
sige.
Bye!